Proms, dude.
What are these two guys with their backs broke over here cheering on the grandstand doing?
Can we just go ahead and count this race as a points race or no?
Wait, what'd I do this time?
You made a bad TikTok, now race.
Going green.
Going.
Green flag, green flag.
Great start.
Start.
Pound it in 3 here for me.
Oh, God. I'm pounding that hard.
Do we get all of us go?
Be smart,
Fly
man.
everybody.
These guys are.
Keep doing what you're doing.
Keep going, you good?
They might could junk a couple more cars up there
Just
for
slide
you.
everybody.
What
are you doing, Matt? Dylan needs a backup car.
Hey, jump the out of someone, man.
You want me to?
Don't acknowledge the crime before you do it, Chase.
User was moved out of your channel.
Stream's on.
Oh, really?
We got witnesses.
Yeah.
Alright, get ready.
Let's see, fast car to track.
Wait there, Rusty.
Get big.
You got
Smart.
2 laps.
Be smart.
Make a move. Make it smart.
Well, you don't listen
Big
to her.
crossover, big crossover, big crossover. Get a ball! Oh, boy!
I tried. That was a race track. Fastest
That's
car
why
on
you
the
don't
racetrack.
listen to Hardy.
I'm gonna slide you out the pace car.
Hey, you got the back
Chase, are
straightaway
you okay?
fed.
Me?
Yeah.
I haven't run a single lap in the 410 since the last pro race. Like,
This is literally a practice race for him.
All the practice he's gonna get.
In the purest sense of the word.
All the practice.
Matt's back here making 3 more corners every straightaway.
have you seen me?
Matt's probably still on base queue.
Wait, are you guys not? Oh, that might be a little bit of my issue.
Take your torsion bar up to 1050 in the left rear. Hit Alt F4.
Hey,
Usually
how many
doesn't work
transfer
out.
out of this deal?
4.
4.
Oh,
What
sweet,
the-
hell yeah.
Don't try to game the system like Eldora.
Yeah, that didn't work out.
Or spring fling. That was spring fling you did that, right, Chase?
No, it was pro.
He did it
No,
on
it's
the door of pro and f***ing wrecked Cole in the process. God damn it, Chase. Keep it straight on the straightaway, please.
Sorry, sir. It's a little wild in front of me here. Am I the only one who can't see going down the back straightaway?
Hey, Lewis.
You guys
Be
are
smart,
going,
Rusty.
Rusty's coming.
Be smart,
Holy
Rusty.
you, Rusty.
Your chance, Rusty.
Trying to slide.
Yeah.
Chase. You're good.
Not happening today.
He's in the wall, Rusty. You're clear.
He's not in here, kid. James has got him.
How many more laps do I make the feature?
A lot.
We're just now reaching halfway.
I can't see.
Pull the wing back.
Oh, I don't have those buttons set.
You gotta think you won Coco last year on 22, 24.
No, I know it was all the way down and forward. I watched.
Holy how much longer?
Let's go.
2 to go.
This is freaking hard. White flag, thank God.
Hey, you.
I told you Rusty was better than you.
Rusty, I
Slide him,
swear.
Rusty. Slide him.
Rusty!
You see that? We're gonna run.
Wow, that was really bad. I am running base Q. What, 22 gallons, a 30 wing, and negative 2.25s in both rears. That's the only thing I touched! Get on the gas!